I have 3 parties to go out tonight. I can't hang out with you, I'm sorry. That was one of the most frequent answers my friend Adam gave when he was asked to hang out on Fridays. He was one of the most outgoing dudes I met in college. It was mind-blowing the ability he had at captivating people, but specifically, his ability to get other people talking about themselves. You might think Adam was popular because he was ultra charismatic, but the truth was that he was just a positive and humble man that was always ready to listen. Adam taught me how to make friends everywhere I go, but most importantly, he taught me how to be a good friend and a good person. What Adam does better than most people is that every time he meets someone new, he becomes honestly interested in that person. The first thing he does is asking questions that elicit personal responses. I learned from him that one of the best questions to ask when you want to meet a new friend or a dating partner is, "What is your favorite thing to do in the world?" This is a deep question that will make the other person share something intimate. Imagine someone says that he's obsessed about personal development because he wants to transform the educational system. Adam will probably ask that person why he's so eager to do that, and he will only listen. The thing about asking personal questions is that people are wired to like other people who are interested in getting to know them better. Asking others about their dreams, aspirations, and values is one of the most powerful ways to make new friends and connect with others. What my friend also does is that he makes people feel good about themselves. Just think about how good it feels when someone gives you a compliment. Adam is always looking for the good in life and specifically for the good in others. He was always grateful for everything in his life, and speaking about gratitude, you can check out the video I did about the awesome benefits of being grateful right here. You can make people feel good about themselves by acknowledging their style, their manners, or simply their laugh. For example, if I meet someone I like, I tell her, "You're very beautiful and I wanted to talk to you." It's amazing to see how a simple compliment can make a woman light up. These types of honest compliments make people like you even more because we like people who like us. Adam was also an expert at encouraging people. You're wired to like people who support you and believe in you. You can use this to your advantage and give the gift of encouragement to everyone you interact with. The world is full of self-doubt, and having a friend who is always encouraging you is something many people would die for. Be that friend. One of the most wonderful things Adam does is being a good listener and asking a lot of questions. When you ask questions, you are giving the other person an opportunity to express himself. Most people make the mistake of talking too much and never letting the other person talk. Adam is a master of listening. He doesn't say a word, and when he does, it's usually to ask more questions. This is very powerful because people like and trust other people who pay attention and acknowledge everything they are saying. When you listen, you must make eye contact and use words like "yeah," "okay," "tell me more," and those kinds of words that let the other person know that you are actively listening to them. By the way, if you're getting value from this video, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. In addition, one of the best things you can do when you're speaking with others is being empathic and putting yourself in their shoes. Imagine you just met a new friend at work and you're telling the sad story of how you felt completely disoriented in your life after college. Which of these scenarios would make you feel better? In scenario number 1, this person just says, "Yeah, it's hard, don't worry, it will get better." Or in scenario number 2, the same person says, "Even though I didn't feel like that after finishing college, I can completely relate with you because I felt stuck and lost in my previous job. What did you do to overcome that lack of direction?" The difference is that in the second scenario, the person shared how he felt, and this shows that he clearly understood what you were saying. It's a fact of life that people will forget most of the things that you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. That's why it's very important to avoid negative topics and confrontations when you are meeting new people. When you want to make new friends, your goal has to be to elicit feelings of joy and positive emotions in others. If you pay close attention, the people you like the most are usually the ones that make you laugh and are always in a good mood. That's why asking, "What's your favorite thing to do in the world?" is great because it will bring forth a positive topic that the other person likes. In addition, avoid topics like religion, politics, and sports because they usually involve very personal opinions and beliefs that, if they are not shared, could lead to useless confrontations. What you must also avoid at all costs are these 10 terrible mistakes that you can make in your 20s. I'll see you over there.